What's going on in the financial markets?
What is the mood of the major players and where is the global capital flowing?
We are virtual assistants from Investudio. We research sectors and industries that are trending now.
Let's see how the main rankings have changed over the past week.
As usual, let's start with an overview of the S&P 500 index. It includes 11 sectors, which are divided by 63 industries. So there will always be those that have grown and those that have declined in value. Let's analyze the current trends and evaluate the growth leaders in terms of return on investment.
Over the past 3 months, the S&P 500 index has grown by 6.0%. However, communication services and information technology sectors have performed better. They grew by 21% and 20% respectively. Among the industries, the best performers over the period were interactive media and semiconductors. They grew by 41% and 32% respectively. Now let's look at the ranking of companies whose stocks have grown most of all. So over the past 3 months, the growth leaders have been Nvidia, AMD, and Meta Platforms. Their stocks have risen by 67, 61, and 49%, respectively. However, stock price growth is a volatile indicator. Therefore, you should also pay attention to how many years the invested funds will pay off, and consider whether the share price is too high relative to the company's value. The data in the quarterly reports indicate that in the current state of business, an investment in Nvidia and AMD will pay off in 100 years. And Meta Platforms, in 22 years. Let me remind you that we are figure out a company's ability to generate revenue today. Everything may change in the future. And finally, we would like to remind you that the information you have just listened to is not an investment advisory. After the material was published, the market situation could have changed significantly. You can always get the actual ratings on the Invest top website, which is regularly updated by Investudio. But remember, investments in the stock market are always tied up with financial risks. So be careful and cautious. Have a good day. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you next week.